Hey guys, so welcome back to another video where we are showing you the Lenovo 5 14-inch 2-in-1 laptop. This is a touchscreen laptop with a 4500U AMD Ryzen 5 CPU. So I just want to go very quickly. This of course is what it looks like, and I did a video where I showed you guys the ports and so forth. So feel free to have a look at those videos. Also showed you how to put the battery into the pen, and of course the pen holder, etc. But I want to just really go through some of the stats and why this is such a great laptop. This laptop I got on Amazon for $599.99, so 600 USD for a really great 14-inch laptop. And if you compare it to many of the laptops on Amazon, you see this is a really steal of a deal. It comes with a backlight and all these different things. So with that being said, as you can see, it's really beautiful. It's small, it's light, and I just wanted to go through some of the stats. Oh, it's actually coming on for some reason. I think this is the first time I've plugged it in, so we'll probably have a look at that in a few minutes. But let's just switch over very quickly because the price is has actually increased since I had a look at it. It actually ran out, but maybe you can actually still get this deal. And wow, it's okay. So it's booting up as well, and as you can see, the screen's pretty bright. It's not bad. While that's booting up, I'm going to just really switch over and have a look at you know, the stats again one more time, because I didn't really go through most of the details on this regarding the stats. So let's have a look very quickly at the deal. So the deal says it's thin, it's light, stylish, 2-in-1 laptop, weighs 3
I'm Cortana,
point.
and I'm here to help.
Oh, this guy's
a little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there.
She's going to decide
and
to
your PC
talk.
ready for all you plan to do.
Wow, that's really loud though.
Use your voice or
Calm down. All right. So yeah. So as I was saying, it's a 2-in-1 laptop, weighs just 3.64 pounds, and you'll see the difference, man. If you had a 4-point-something pound laptop, 1 pound makes a really big difference, at least for me. I used to have a Dell N5110, and that was heavy. I couldn't really walk around with this, and this is one of the reasons why I bought this laptop, because it's you know, the weight to travel. I mean, my goodness, man, to travel with a laptop, you better pray it's gonna be light. Anyway, so this comes with a digital pen, and usually these pens, they alone, they cost about $35 extra, and you get that free with the laptop. This one's actually came with the laptop for $600, so you can't go wrong with that. And it's powered by the new 4000 series mobile processors, 4500U, and man, my fastest computer runs at half of the speed. I just want to show you guys really quickly the stats on this 4500U. This is a Ryzen 4500U. Let's just have a look at the pass mark, because that's how usually I rate these processors when I need to buy it. Wow, I mean, this goes into the tens of thousands, man. I mean, this computer that I'm running on right now is like a 4800. So this laptop, this little small guy, is twice that speed. I mean, you know, the performance is going to be great. And this thing, of course, these are APUs. They're CPUs, but they also have graphics power. So it actually comes with a Vega 6. That's a AMD Radeon Vega 6 graphics, and that sounds low. I mean, usually you hear about the 8, and I believe it's a 10, and I think that I'm trying to remember if there's a 12, but I'm not too sure. Anyways, but the thing is that they actually rate this Vega 6 as being faster than the Vega 8, which is in the older generation. So this is the 4th gen, and these are pretty good. They now this year, you know, to 2020. It says that it has a 10.14-inch FHD IPS touchscreen, and as you can see, as I showed you a minute ago, that's the screen. That's a touch screen, man. And let's get back. Let's switch back really quickly to what else is there Oh, and yeah, it flips, man. It literally flips. So this acts as an actual tablet as well. So let's have a look really quickly at it flipping. So we have it here. This is the first time I'm gonna flip. Let's have a look. Let's see. It feels pretty sturdy and it's flipping. That's for sure. There you go. It's a tablet, a 14-inch tablet right there. I haven't actually touched on the screen, but wow, it's it's lovely. It's accurate too. Anyway, so I'll be setting this up, but I just wanted to show you guys again the stats because the stats are really awesome. And just go back. Switch. So it's 360 hinge, as you can see. You can see that's really true. It has a tent mode, the stand mode, etc. All these different things. But really, one of the really important things too is that it claims to have 10 hours of battery life. Plus, it quick charges to 80% in just 1 hour. I mean, that's amazing. So if you're looking for a laptop, I mean, you know, there's better graphic laptops for games. But if you're going to be just doing work and productivity or just for school, I mean, this laptop is pretty good. Now, of course, there's some more details. Of course, like Wi-Fi. One of the things that you don't get in this laptop is a Wi-Fi 6. You get the AC, which I believe is Wi-Fi 5. And that's going to be fine for most people because Wi-Fi 6 hasn't really been implemented too much as of 2020, as far as I know. And one of the things that I need to mention too is the screen. Of course, they say that the screen is not quite accurate in terms of color. But so if you're going to use it for photography, you're going to have to be a little bit careful on how you color correct. I believe they claim it's 62% sRGB, which is not bad for, you know, a portable laptop. That's price. You can't go wrong with that. One of the things again with this laptop, and I can't seem to find it in the stats, is that this thing has a fast drive. You know, like those hard disk drives. This is not even SSD. This is M2. And if I have not mistaken, it's like even faster than SSD. It's like 5 times faster. So that's great, and it comes with a really great set of speakers. For the size, the audio is really good. It comes with a 720p camera, which let me just show you. That should be here. This camera on the top, it's 720p HD. It's going to be good enough for Skyping, and you know, it's just not going to probably be good enough for like high quality YouTube videos, etc. But it's going to be good enough for Skyping, Zooming, that kind of thing. And one of the things it also comes with is Bluetooth, and it comes with the 4.2, which is the older version of the Bluetooth. But that I think is going to be fine. There's a 5.x one, I think, but you know, how much Bluetooth do you need if you're going to be right next to your laptop? It's not going to be an issue. And it also comes with this edge, and I gotta show you guys. Because some people are going to complain about this, but it makes sense. You know, in tablet mode, you're going to need an edge to hold the laptop, and so it comes with a decent enough edge to hold there. And I know that, you know, with these touchscreens that people are always looking for the closest to the edge, but that doesn't really make sense to have it too close to the edge and then you can't hold it. So, you know, it comes, you know, they really thought about how they were going to develop this system, and excuse me, and it comes with a 65 watt adapter, which means that it's going to fast charge, and it comes with 2 USB-A, 1 USB-C, and an HDMI port, which I showed you guys previously. And I think that's the most really that I can show you guys in terms of all the different things. Now, one of the things as well is that one of the things that I was about was this 14-inch. It comes with 16 gigs of RAM. That's more than my normal PC. So that's great as well. It's a good combination. But it's soldered onto the actual board. So what does that mean? It means that you can't actually upgrade this laptop, but you won't really need to in most cases. For basic work, you shouldn't have much of a problem. because it has enough RAM for most. For most workloads. I don't know anyone that uses more than 16 gigs of RAM for normal productivity, like Word and Excel, PowerPoint. It's gonna be fine, totally fine. And you can upgrade the Wi-Fi card, I think, and you can check out the other videos out on YouTube as well too, where they actually do that, and you can actually upgrade as well. The size of the storage, which it comes with 256 gigs of storage space, but you can upgrade it up to 512, etc. It's NVMe, sorry, so that's pretty fast. And yeah, so there's mostly no serviceable stuff that you can service inside of there, except for the battery, perhaps if you have to change the battery, or the storage space. And so 256 is going to be fine for me because I'm going to use it mostly for traveling and that sort of stuff. But yeah, this is really great because you actually, of course, you get the pen as well. So it's a really great deal, and the price is actually going up. It's actually now set at $710 and $734 US. So I think I got it on a great deal, and it has a 10-hour battery life. So it's going to last hopefully a whole day if you are not going to be using it for really super intensive stuff like gaming, etc. You might be able to get that off on one. You might be able to get that kind of life on one charge, which is awesome. So with that being said, I'm really happy with this purchase, and I'm going to probably be doing some more videos as we go along, testing and setting up this sweet 14-inch laptop. And if you compare it, as I said, on the internet, on Amazon, you'll see that this is actually cheaper than most of the others. It's more affordable than most of the others, and so you get your bang for your buck. And so with that being said, I hope that this video also helps you to really think about it. In fact, this is why I bought it. I actually bought it for myself over the Dells and the HPs and all the other pretty good laptops out there, because of the touchscreen for the price and the backlit keyboard, which they don't even mention on the list, but it's there. It's there. You can actually, I think you could press one of these buttons and you get a backlit keyboard. I don't know if the camera can see it, but I can see it. So that's really great. So with that being said, guys, please take that time to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please let me know as well in the comments below, and I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. I try to answer all of my comments. And with that being said, thank you so much for viewing. Stay tuned to another episode of RTHD coming to your YouTube screen near you. Take care. Bye-bye.